Ever felt like your digital dollars were adrift, floating somewhere in the vast ocean of crypto, without a secure harbor? You've got your USDT, you know it's valuable, but where do you really keep it? Where's your digital vault, your safe haven, where you can manage, receive, and send your precious tether without a worry in the world? See, that's the thing about cryptocurrency. It's exhilarating, it's innovative, but without the right tools, it can feel like navigating a complex maze. And if you're like most people, you want something simple, something reliable, something that just works. You've probably heard of Newton, and maybe you're wondering, can I use it for my USDT? And if so, how do I even start? Let's be honest, the world of digital wallets can be intimidating. You've got different blockchains, different protocols, and a whole slew of technical jargon that can make your head spin. But here's the good news, getting a Newton wallet address for your USDT doesn't have to be a headache. In fact, it's a surprisingly straightforward process, and by the end of this video, you'll be equipped with all the knowledge you need to get started. Now, before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's take a quick step back and understand why a dedicated wallet address is so crucial for your USDT. Think of it like this, your USDT is like cash, and your wallet address is your bank account number. Without that unique identifier, how would anyone know where to send your funds? It's the key to receiving, storing, and sending your USDT securely. Newton, in particular, offers a user-friendly platform that simplifies the process of managing your digital assets. It's designed to be accessible to both beginners and experienced crypto users, making it a great choice for anyone looking for a reliable and secure way to store their USDT. But, and this is important, Newton operates within Canada. This means if you are outside of Canada, you will not be able to utilize this platform. So, let's get down to business. How do you actually create a Newton wallet address for your USDT? Step 1. Create a Newton account, if you don't have one already. First things first, you'll need a Newton account. If you're a new user, head over to the Newton website or download the app from your app store. The sign-up process is quick and easy. You'll need to provide some basic information, including your email address and a strong password. Remember, security is paramount in the world of crypto, so make sure you choose a password that's difficult to guess. You'll also need to complete the Know Your Customer (KYC) verification process. This is a standard requirement for most regulated cryptocurrency platforms and helps to prevent fraud and ensure compliance with anti-money laundering regulations. The KYC process typically involves providing a government-issued ID and proof of address. Don't worry, it's a one-time process, and once you're verified, you'll have full access to all of Newton's features. Step 2. Navigate to the wallet section. Once you've created and verified your account, log into the Newton platform. You'll see a menu or navigation bar, usually located on the side or at the bottom of the screen. Look for the wallet section and click on it. This is where you'll manage all of your digital assets. Step 3. Find USDT, Tether. In the wallet section, you'll see a list of all the cryptocurrencies supported by Newton. Scroll through the list or use the search bar to find USDT, Tether. Click on USDT to access its specific wallet. Step 4. Generate your USDT wallet address. Now, this is where the magic happens. Within the USDT wallet, you'll see options for deposit and withdraw. To generate your wallet address, click on Deposit. You'll then see your unique USDT wallet address displayed on the screen. It's typically a long string of alphanumeric characters. Important note, network selection. This is a crucial step. USDT can be issued on multiple blockchains, including Ethereum, ERC20, Tron, TRC20, and others. Make absolutely certain that you select the correct network. If you send USDT to an incorrect network address, you could lose your funds permanently. Newton will clearly display the available networks. Choose the network that matches the network your USDT is currently on or the network you intend to use. For example, if you're sending USDT from an exchange that uses the ERC20 network, select ERC20 in your Newton wallet. Step 5. Copy and secure your wallet address. Once you've generated your USDT wallet address and confirmed the correct network, copy it to your clipboard. This is the address you'll use to receive USDT. Security best practices. Double-check the address. Always double-check the address before sending any USDT. Even a single incorrect character can result in lost funds. Use copy and paste. Avoid manually typing the address, as this increases the risk of errors. Store your address securely. Keep your wallet address in a safe place, such as a password manager or encrypted document. Be wary of phishing. Never share your wallet address with anyone you don't trust. Be cautious of phishing emails or messages that ask for your wallet address or other sensitive information. Receiving USDT. Now that you have your Newton USDT wallet address, you can use it to receive USDT from any compatible wallet or exchange. Simply provide your wallet address to the sender, and they'll be able to send you USDT. The transaction time will vary depending on the network congestion and the sender's processing speed. Withdrawing USDT. When you want to send USDT from your Newton wallet to another wallet or exchange, you'll use the withdraw option within the USDT wallet. You'll need to enter the recipient's wallet address and the amount of USDT you want to send. Again, make sure you select the correct network and double-check the recipient's address before confirming the transaction. Additional tips and considerations. Transaction fees. Be aware of transaction fees associated with sending and receiving USDT. These fees can vary depending on the network and the exchange you're using. Network congestion. Network congestion can sometimes cause delays in transaction processing. Be patient and allow sufficient time for your transactions to complete. Security updates. Keep your Newton app and operating system updated to ensure you have the latest security patches. Two-factor authentication. 2FA. Enable 2FA on your Newton account for an extra layer of security. This will require you to enter a code from your authentication app in addition to your password when logging in or making transactions. Customer support. If you encounter any problems or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out to Newton's customer support. They're there to help you. Understand the risks. Cryptocurrency is a volatile market. Always do your research and understand the risks before investing in any cryptocurrency. Creating a Newton wallet address for your USDT is a simple and straightforward process. By following these steps and adhering to security best practices, you can confidently manage your USDT and take control of your digital assets. Remember, security and accuracy are paramount. Always double-check your addresses and be vigilant against phishing scams. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.